Hey everybody, welcome and thanks for joining Wyatt and I for today's video. I was gone this week. I'm so happy to be home, and I came home to a whole bunch of boxes and stuff waiting for me, so it looks like I need to get busy. And Wyatt looks like he needs to get ready for a nap. He must have missed out on his naps while I was gone. So for today, I have my Bolzano handbag subscription. Cannot wait to dig into this. It feels kind of exciting, like feels different. So I can't wait to see what's inside this bag. Love the Bolzano handbag subscription. This is such a fun subscription because for a very reasonable price, you get a handbag and accessories every month. And they have their regular subscription, the handbag and accessory subscription for, I just had a Wyatt hair on me, $33.95, which is a $250 value. And you can get the Luxe subscription for $43.95, which is a $300 value. Can't wait to see. Here's my bag. Let's dig in. So right on the little tag, I love how it says, "You deserve to be spoiled." And let's dig in. This looks pretty cool. Check this one out. Isn't that pretty? And it's like the coolest green color. Can you guys see that? I hope it's showing up on camera. It's a very pretty dark green color. So nice for winter. And it's such a nice neutral. I love it. And look at how nice the Bolzano hardware is here. I know it's covered in plastic to protect it. So pretty. I'm loving this. If I can get this uncovered for you. Look how pretty that is. All right, I'm excited. Let's dig in. All kinds of goodies in here. All right, so this is got a huge little, look at this, look how nice this is. All right, so first of all, it does have the magnetic snap here at the bottom. That's how it closes. Then it has a nice big opening here in the back with a pocket as well as a zipper. So you have both, and they're large. I love that because I like a bigger bag that I can fit my laptop in, file folders for work, as well as my essentials when I'm traveling. But it also has the zipper pocket. So it has the pocket back here, plus this zipper pocket. And then it also has the pocket in the front. Lots of pockets. This is awesome. Love it. Has the gold harbor on the side for the strap. Let's check this out. Has a nice long strap, which is adjustable. So this is nice. Looks like you can shorten it. Excuse me, I have a tickle. Looks like you can adjust it to shorten it, or you could even do it as a crossbody. Here's what it looks like here. Get a little bit farther back so you can see it. What do you think, Wyatt? Do you like it? So here's what it looks like as a crossbody. You can also just carry it as a regular bag. Isn't that pretty? Love this. This is like the perfect size to fit a laptop or and files, and still fit your wallet, your lipstick, your phone, etc. So I'm just loving this color. I think this is just the coolest color. This is like a really cool messenger bag. I love this. This is awesome. So there is all kinds of other goodies inside here. And I have the Luxe subscription, so $43 $95 a month, and you get the beauty products, the accessories, and the bag. So it's only $10 more for the beauty products as well. And I just, usually these bags also come in other colors. So if you don't like your color, you can usually ask to swap it out for a different color if you wanted to, which is always nice as well. You can always cancel at any time if you wanted to cancel your subscription. So there's always that option as well. So let me show you my really cool accessories that I got this time. I got jewelry. Look at these earrings. These are so pretty. They have a 3D effect to them. Check those out. So the little stones there at the top, and then their little cubes here at the bottom. Hopefully you guys can see this. So pretty. So pretty. Love the earrings, and there's a necklace and a bracelet. Oh, and the necklace here is silver and gold. Look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. And I'll put that on for you guys so you can see. That is so pretty. And here's the bracelet. And they all come in little pouches. And then also this is protected by plastic as well. This is so pretty. So it is gold, and it has the extra little stones that are standing up there. I hope you guys can see those. So it has the rows of stones and the extra little pieces here that are standing up, almost like little baguettes. So pretty. It really sparkles. Beautiful. And beauty products. So there's more. I got eyebrow stencil. How cool is that? And they're different kinds. I love this. This is so cool. It might really make my life easier. Different stencils based on what you're going for. From Flirty. How cool is that? To Uptown Girl. Femme Fatale. Is that not cool? Hope you guys can see these. I should probably put my hand behind it so you can see the, can you see the shapes hopefully? Maybe I'll put, can you guys see that maybe? I don't know, anything I feel like I'm doing here, you guys aren't going to be able to tell. Hopefully you're seeing that, the different shapes. So cool. There's Diva. There is Hollywood. Is that not so cool? And Cleopatra. So if you really wanted a dramatic one, just put that right over there. How cool is that? I love this. Such a time saver. Love. So cool. Okay. Next, what else do I got here? Comes a little holder, key ring holder. You can put that right on your purse. I have Cappuccino lip balm. I like how they go the extra mile and don't just give you the lip balm, but actually put in a little key holder, keychain holder. I could put this in my work bag because I'm almost always getting dry lips at work because I'm running. Throw this on my bag and I always have it. Never lost. Love this idea. And check this out, cosmetic brush. A nice big fluffy one. Not like a little tiny one. A nice big super fluffy one. Check that out. Awesome. All of this for $43.95. Okay, let me put the jewelry on real quick so you can see what it looks like. Okay, I have the jewelry on, but I missed another beauty product that slipped here behind me. I also got eyeshadow. Check out how pretty this is. This is such a great color. I love this. Eyeshadow too. Oh, there's so many things in here. Okay, check out these earrings. Aren't these pretty? They're super delicate, but yet make a statement, which I love. And the necklace is really pretty too. I like the mixed metal look to it. Hopefully you guys can see this. And it has the little bow and the extra little dangle. So pretty. And then here's the bracelet. Look at the sparkle on this bracelet. And then it just has a regular clasp. So you can adjust it. So pretty. So all 3 pieces of jewelry, this fantastic bag, and all the beauty products. Love this. $43.95 for all of these items. I lost track of everything. So 4 beauty products, the 3 pieces of jewelry, and this awesome bag. Love it all. So I love this Luxe subscription. I think it's fantastic, but they have many different subscriptions you can choose from. You can just get the accessories if you want. You can do just the bag and the accessories if you like. Lots to choose from. So I will put the link down below in case you want to check Bolzano out. Love this subscription. I know I keep saying it. I do. I also have a offer for you. So if you would like to give the subscription a try and you pick your subscription and put it in your cart, if you in the search criteria you put LITTLEBOXGIFT, if you type that and you put that product in your cart, you'll get it for free. Awesome. You get an extra, something a little bit extra. So this was fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I always love getting this subscription. It's always so much fun. And this one is just so cool. It's so different, isn't it? And the leather is so nice, and the extra detail. It even has the grommets here at the bottom. So I love that it will stand up on its own, and it's not like touching the floor. It has these little bases. I love that about it. The extra detail that goes into these bags always amazes me. Always the extra stitching, always the extra hardware. Love the grommets at the bottom because I never like to put my bags directly on the ground because sometimes you have to. You don't have a choice. Love that. So much fun. All right. So thank you for spending some time with me today. I so appreciate it. I'll put all the information down below in case you want to check the subscription out. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Love it if you would show some support and hit that like button as well as hitting that subscribe button. And if you've already subscribed, I so very much appreciate it. Hope you all have an amazing day. Until next time, bye everybody.